Pratiksha.
And there you can see the first formation flying in Apache attack helicopters, today led by Group Captain Praveen Sarathi. Flying the other two aircraft are Wing Commander Munit Dogra and Wing Commander Gaurav Patania. The Apaches, with its advanced fire control radar, night vision system and arsenal of Hellfire missiles and Hydra rockets, is a formidable force in the battlefield. These fierce attack helicopters are the face of the modern machines in India's leap into the manufacturing advanced of the rotary wing platform. And there you can see Formation Airborne from Air Force Station Hindon, led by Group Captain Praveen Sarathi. The Apache attack helicopters flying in victory formation.
संतुलन, साहस और शौर्य का परिचय 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर पहुंचते हुए 137 हेली स्क्वाड्रन से नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन प्रवीण सारथी कर रहे हैं। अन्य सदस्य हैं विंग कमांडर मुनीत डोगरा और विंग कमांडर गौरव पठानिया।
The aircraft equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and sensors, allowing them to operate in a variety of environment and weather conditions.
इंडिया गेट के ठीक पास पहुंचते हुए अजय फॉर्मेशन में 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में तेज खिली हुई धूप और साफ आसमान, वायु गर्जन, वायु विचरण, शौर्य साहस का परिचय। और अब बारी सतलुज फॉर्मेशन की। 2 डॉर्नियर और एक AN-32 ट्रांसपोर्ट हेलीकॉप्टर, ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे।
Formation led by Wing Commander Pinak Ashok Kodkute, along with Flight Lieutenant Anurag Mishra, Wing Commander Amol, along with Flight Lieutenant Sahaj Preet, and Squadron Leader Rahul Kishore, along with Squadron Leader Rohit Anand. The formation comprising one AN-32, which is airborne from Air Force Station Chandigarh, while the Dorniers taken off today from Palam Air Base. AN-32, a strong, rugged aeroplane with a mighty roar, is the workhorse of the Indian Air Force transport fleet.
दो डॉर्नियर इस फॉर्मेशन में 41 स्क्वाड्रन से आदर्श वाक के समय पर सहायता।
The Satluj formation, led today by Group Captain Manish Arora, Shaurya Chakra. Other members in the formation are Wing Commander Kunal Kalra and Wing Commander Abhimanyu Singh, all from 15 Squadron, all from Lancers. And there you can see the Trishul formation comprising 3 Sukhoi 30 MKI air dominance fighter aircraft flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour.
3 Su-30 विमान जिनका विजय नाद सुनकर रोमांच महसूस किया जा सकता है, हवा में विलीन होते हुए त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए।
Having pulled up, watch the leader going further up and the wingmen spitting to cast a trishul or a trident up in the air. Formation led by Group Captain Manish Arora.
और अब रोमांच की पराकाष्ठा विजय।
They had the unique distinction of being the only aircraft in the IF with the role of air calibration of the IF airfields. And now the Rakshak formation debuting on the Kartavya Path today for the maiden formation flypast. Rakshak, the Dornier formation of the Indian Coast Guard. True to their motto, Vayam Rakshamaha, the Indian Coast Guard have rescued over 12,000 lives from the unforgiving ocean. The formation led by DIG Kamal Bharadwaj and other aircraft flown by DIG Siddharth Bhandari and Commandant Jayant Thorat.
रक्षक फॉर्मेशन राष्ट्रीय समर स्मारक के ऊपर से गुजरता हुआ।
The Indian Coast Guard Dorniers capable of carrying out maritime reconnaissance, search and rescue, pollution response, maritime security, anti-piracy and assistance to fishermen at sea. And now the next formation, Arjun formation, Lieutenant Sona. Here comes the single Rafale flying at 900 kilometers per hour. All set to touch the sky with glory as he will execute the victory roll over Kartavya Path today. Known as the Falcons of Champ and Aknoor, flying with their motto, Anbhishya Bhedi or Seek to Destroy. That's Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi. Climbing